everyone, children. I think everyone is stay safe in the home by following all the instructions like sanitizing your hands, maintaining distance, yes, and wearing mask if you go out. Don't go out if you are anywhere. Just wear the mask. Yes. So welcome to maths class. So as we are doing the first chapter of your the fresh new year. So this is the revision chapter of your previous class. Okay. So we have completed till your fourth bit in your previous class. For doing your today's class, you require your term book, pencil, and eraser. So we are going to learn today the skipping of the numbers, yes, and the position of the letters and the pattern in the drawing part. Okay. So this is the learning part we are going to do today. Yes, in this few I will say, try to understand, and the other things you have to say. So in this only you have homework also. So you have to listen carefully. Okay. So this is there in your page number 71. Okay. So you can open your term book with a pencil. First you listen to the teacher, what teacher is saying, understand how to do it. Then you can copy down and you can solve your homework problems also. Okay. So the first bit in the class, the first bit in today's class is fifth bit or in your textbook. Okay. So what it is count in fives. So you have to count five numbers and you have to fill the missing numbers here. You have to write the numbers in the boxes where they have given the space. Okay. So here they have given you, to make you understand, they have given you 4 numbers. So what is the number, how many numbers they have skipped here? You can check in your question. So they have counted 5 numbers and they have written the 5th number. Okay. So it is very easy. It is only one question. They said you how to count also. What is the number to count also. Okay. So here you see the 5 they have given. First I will make you to understand this question. First they have given the first number as 5. Next they have given 10. Okay. So we will check how we got 10 here. Okay. The first number is 5. No, from 5 the next number we will start. Okay. It is 5. The next number is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which number they have written? They have said that you have to count 5s. 5s you have to count and you have to write the 5th number. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 5th number is 10. So they have written 10 here. Again from the next number you have to count 5. After 10 you have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again you have to write the 5th number. Yes, they have given here the 5th number as 15. The next number you start again. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See again they have given 5th number 20 here. Okay. So same like this by counting 5 and you have to take the 5th number. You have to fill all these boxes. Okay. So the last number you have to check here is 20. So from 20 you have to count. From 20 is the number, so the next number you have to start. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So which number you have to write now? Yes, 25. The 5th number, 25. Okay, this 25 in the first box. Again next number, which number you have to start? Yeah, the next number of this one is 26. There you have to start. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So which number you have to write now? 30. Yes, 30, the 5th number. So 30, 30 in the second box. Okay. Next, you have to start. Where you have to start for the next one? To write the next answer, where you have to start the counting? Yes, the next number of the number which you see here, not the same number. Next number of this you have to start. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So what is the 5th number? 35. So you have to take the 5th number here, 35. Okay. So only one more number I am going to tell. The other you have here completely 3 boxes. So only one box I am going to tell, the other two you have to do as your homework. Okay? Homework in the sense, in the term book only you have to do, but after completing this class. Okay children? So where you have to start the counting? The next number of this. So 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So what you have to write here in the box? 40, 40. Okay. So this two I am giving you as homework. These two boxes you have to do it as homework. Okay. I think it is very easy. No, you have to count only 5 numbers and fifth number you have to write. Okay. Yes. Now we will move on to the next bit. So what is the next bit? It is completely different. Not related to the before one. See here. Write the position of the letter E and O in peacock. Here they have given you the word peacock. Okay. So in this word you have letters, no, P, E, A, C, O, C, K. Also these many letters are there. So from these many letters they are asking you to write E and O. In which place they are? Okay. So I want to tell you one thing. So numbers you have of two kinds. Cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. Okay. Cardinal numbers are normal numbers like 1, 2, 3. You will write 1, 2, 3, 4. All these normal numbers which we will see in our daily life, or cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are those numbers you will take the place. First, second, like your classes. Third, you will have no. If you are writing your class, you will write no. See, I have written there for your class, second class. So ordinal numbers are first, second, third. That is the position. So you have to write the ordinal number, the position of those numbers here. Okay. So E. So you should not write 1, 2 here. The position means you have to write first, second, third. Okay. So this is not required to make you understand. I have given. Now you see the position of E in your word. 1 and 2. So this is first and this is second. So where is E? In which place it is there? It is there in the second place. Okay. So this is 1, this is first place and this is second place. So we are setting E. E is there in the second place. So you have to write second, S E C O N D. Second in your blank. Okay, you should not write Roman number. See what I have written are here Roman numbers. You have to write here spelling. Okay, second, S E C O N D, second. Okay, now we'll check the position of O. Okay, good. First, second, third, fourth. O is there in fifth position. See, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So O is there in which position? Fifth position. So F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Okay. So E is there in second position. O is there in fifth position. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Now we will move on to our next bit. Okay. What is your next bit now? It is draw and color the next 3 shapes. See, draw and color the next 3 shapes to complete the pattern. Here, pattern means what? Pattern means it will go on repeating the same thing. You will have pattern for drawing, for alphabets, for numbers, for pictures. Okay, you will have many patterns for many things. Okay, here as you are in second class, they have given for the drawing, for pictures only they have given. So here they have given in the first question circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So here the different shapes they have taken are only 2. 2 different shapes only they have taken. 2 different shapes only they have taken. What are they? Circle and rectangle. So you have to go on repeating this only. What is the first one? Circle. What is the second one? Rectangle. So you have to repeat the same thing again and again. So how many places they will ask? That many places you have to draw the same things. And you have to color also. So here I will give you the shapes, you have to color it. Okay, no need to do it wrong, you have to do it correctly. The shape should be perfect like here in your textbook. You have to color according to the same color what they have given in the term book. Okay, see first one circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So after rectangle what it should be again? It should be again, after rectangle what it should be? Circle. So draw circle. After circle what it should be? Rectangle. After rectangle what it should be? Again circle. So it will go on repeating like this only. Okay, see circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. So only 3 places they asked. So you have to draw only 3 places, enough. Okay, see the next one here. Here they have given pentagon. See this one is pentagon and next one is triangle. Next pentagon. Next again triangle. Okay, so here also the same thing. I think you will feel little difficulty in drawing this pentagon only, but I will tell you how to draw it. Okay, you listen to me carefully and you can follow it. You can do it in the same way. Okay, first pentagon, triangle, pentagon, triangle. So the next one will be again pentagon. So I will tell you how to do it. Listen here carefully. So pentagon, first you have to take 2 slanting lines outside. How you will draw home, no? For home you will draw, no? For slanting lines outside. Yes, so you have to draw slanting lines outside. Again, down you have to take the slanting lines inside. 2 slanting lines inside. You should not join them. See, the space it should be like this only. It should not be joined. Okay? So, draw slanting lines inside. Then, you join this 2 with the sleeping line. Okay? 2 slanting lines outside. 2 slanting lines inside. Then, join this 2 with a sleeping line. Okay? So, this makes your pentagon. Next, after pentagon, what you have to draw? Triangle. I think you know how to draw this triangle. Yes, 2 slanting lines outside, joined with the sleeping line. Okay, so pentagon, triangle. Next, after that, again you will get pentagon. Okay, so 2 slanting lines outside, 2 slanting lines inside, but you should not join them. See, you can see the space here. Where I did not join here, you can check. I did not join here. You have to keep little space for sleeping line. You need to draw sleeping line by joining these 2. Okay. So by this, today's class we finish. Okay. So the 5th one is count in 5s and fill in the missing numbers. So where you have to count 5 numbers and you have to write the 5th one. Yes. So 4 numbers they have given in the term book. 4 numbers teacher have explained. Yes, all these are of counting 5s only. You have to write the 5th number. You can count in your fingers and you can write the 5th number in the space provided there. Okay. From this 5th bit, only 2 numbers I have given homework. Okay. From these 2 bits, I have given 2 numbers. You have to think, count and you have to write. Okay. Next, see the 6th one. So, here we have learnt the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. So, cardinal numbers are normal numbers which we have in our maths like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like those all numbers are called cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are the positions. Like first, second, third, we'll give ranks, no ranks, and your classes, all those are called ordinal numbers, like first, second, third. So those ordinal numbers we have taken in our 6th bit. Okay, so we have written the position of E and O. E is there in 2nd position, O is there in 5th position. Oh, okay, so we have written in words. Now 7th bit, draw and color the next 3 shapes to complete the pattern. So here they have given you the shapes and they have given you the color, what you have to color also, and they are asking you to draw the 3 shapes and you have to color them also. Okay, so here the first one, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, and teacher, I explained you how to do it. The next pattern is of repeating only the same thing. Circle, rectangle, circle, 3 positions we have done. Okay, now the second one is pentagon, triangle, pentagon, triangle. Next you got pentagon, triangle, pentagon. Okay, and I have shown you how to draw this pentagon also. Okay, so in this 7th bit also you have homework. I think you can do it very easily and interestingly also. What is the homework? Yes, the homework in your 7th bit is of coloring. Drawing we have done here in the classwork. Coloring you have to do after this class. Okay, so today's your homework is of 5th bit of writing 2 numbers. Okay, and in the 7th bit you have to color the shapes. Okay, this is for today's class. We'll meet you in the next class with the next bit. Thank you.